Before I start with the list of things that I'm going to give you today for your pantries, I wanted to ask you that all of you would subscribe to my channel. I'm trying real hard to get to 1,000 right now. And also, if you like the videos that I'm doing, be sure to like them, hit that like button, and then interact with me on the videos. Send me questions, send me comments, and share it with your friends and family. The more people that we can convince that they need to stock their pantries and be prepared, the better off we all will be. A few days ago, I gave you all a list of some things that you should stock in your pantry. So since that time, I've been thinking about how I could expand on that list and help y'all to know what that you should buy to put on your shelf. And so I've got a list of about 20 or 25 items that are canned meats that would be wonderful additions to your home canned things and would be great to have on your pantry shelves if it's something your family will eat. So I want to give you this list, and if it's something that you eat, then it would be something good that you could stock. So the first one is salmon and tuna, chicken, beef stew, sardines, chili with beans, mackerel, Spam, roast beef, Vienna sausages, shredded beef, corned beef, canned ham, potted meat, tamales, ravioli, spaghetti and meatballs, canned pork, treat meat, canned bacon, and that's something you probably would have to find in an Amish or specialty store, pork barbecue, chicken and dumplings, canned turkey, beanie weenies, deviled ham, and canned ground beef, and also beef stew. Oh, I think I did get beef stew up there a while ago. But anyway, that's a list of about probably 20 or 25 things that you could stock in your pantry. And, these are probably $2 to $4 a can, unless you're, with the exception of probably a canned ham is going to be more expensive than that. Some of them might be more or less expensive. But, if you've got $5 or $10 or $20 a week or a month or however left in, for your budget, for your grocery budget, then use that money to get however many cans of this stuff that you can buy to put in your pantry. And so over the next few days, I am going to give you some lists of things to add to your pantry. And keep in mind, just because it's on my list does not necessarily mean that it needs to be on your list, because it could be on my list because that's something my family eats. But if your family doesn't like it, there's no point in you stocking it. And so, these are some things that are some factory canned produce, or not produce, but meats that you could put on your shelf to add to your home canned vegetables, or to add to your canned vegetables that you get in the grocery store. And so I will come back with a list of fruits and vegetables, both canned and dried. And then I've got some other things that I've got a list of things that I'm putting together right now that are what I'm calling mood elevators. And so these are things that, during a bad situation, where you've had, some kind of horrific event, sometimes food can really improve your mood during those times. So I'm putting together that list right now. And then also I have a list of about 70 or 75 things, uses for baking soda. And so that's something that'll be coming up pretty soon. And then also, I just got the ingredients to can taco soup. I'm completely out, and that's something we like year-round. So just be sure and check back. Until the next time, God bless you.